They say a picture worth 1,000 words, and that is exactly why infographics are powerful. Teachers, coaches, and content creators use them every day to simplify complex ideas. But here is the thing: creating good infographics used to take time and graphic design skills. Today, with ChatGPT, Canva AI tools, you can do it in seconds. And that is exactly what I'm about to show you right now. Turning onto my laptop, I will go to Chrome. From Chrome browser, I will have to open ChatGPT. From this ChatGPT, you remember that ChatGPT is basically for text and generation of ideas. What we will now need to do is to click on this place where we'll have settings here. Once you click here, you are going to connect an app. How do you connect an app? From this place where we'll have personalization, it will now bring out this mini dialog box. From this dialog box, I will click on apps and connectors. Once I do that, you'll see Canva. That is what we are going to use. You can as well use Shopify, Booking.com, Coursera. Figma is for front-end web design or any other flow diagram design. Coursera is for course, Shopify is for selling, Booking is when you're booking online for hotel or flight. But our interest today is on infographics. So I'll have to click on Canva. Immediately I click on Canva, I will then connect it. Remember, you should have Canva account. As you can see, mine is already connected. That's why it is now asking me to disconnect. So what I will then need to do is to close this dialog box because I'm already connected. I will then give ChatGPT a prompt. Here you can see my prompt. I said, describe to a novice the applications of artificial intelligence using simple text that can be used to make an infographic. So you can just make up a prompt. Otherwise, if you would like to see all my everyday prompts, check the link in the description box below so that you will get to my Telegram channel. Yeah. Now, let me send this. Once I send it, wait for ChatGPT to generate this ready-to-use simple text that can be used to make an infographic. Once it is ready, the next thing I will now do is to enter the next prompts. So here I said, connect to Canva app and create the infographic. Then send it. Wait for Canva to do its magic in collaboration with ChatGPT. As you can see, the infographic is being generated. And it also came with a message. Your AI infographic has been generated in Canva. So you can open Canva to edit it. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different designs. So which one should we use? Okay, let me check this. Can you see? This is wonderful. Please subscribe if you are getting value. So if this is what I want, what I will now have to do is to click here where we have open in Canva. Once I click that, it will now open this particular design in Canva. And here we have it. If you are familiar with Canva, you will notice that this thing is very beautiful because they can be edited. For this, I will have to zoom in so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so if I scroll up here, you have it here, applications of artificial intelligence. If you don't like this color, you can as well change the color to anything that will suit you. I hope you understand. Okay, so you can as well change this one. This is the background color. I'll come here and choose any other color of my choice. Depending on what I want, you can choose more color from here. So it all depends on what you want. So for this now, I'll make it white. Okay. So you can go on, remove this, include whatever you want. Maybe you can bring in new image if you don't like this. You can as well make the font size to be bigger, or you edit it the way you want. Do you see how easy it is to design an infographic from ChatGPT? Okay, So this is very beautiful. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this tool. Remember, you can always come back here to choose a different design, assuming you don't like this. Also, do not forget that you can always include the color you want while writing your ChatGPT prompts. I hope you understand. And if you are confused about writing ChatGPT prompts, like, this prompt here is very basic, I have a video that teaches how to write comprehensive AI prompts, the type that ChatGPT understands. You can get the video link in the description box below. Remember to share your thoughts in the comment section. Do well to share the video with your loved one, and don't forget to subscribe in order to support me. This will help my channel to grow. My name is Pat. I do videos around educational technology, research, AI tools, and digital productivity tools. Until next time, keep learning.